All right, guys, before we jump into this video, remember to check out Cardo. There's an Easter sale going on right now. So link in the description. I believe it's 25% off only for Easter Sunday, 72-hour flash sale. Grab yourself a Pack Talk Edge. Get yourself a duo with a buddy and split the cost and talk to each other so you guys can stay safe. So let's go ahead and jump into this video.
This rider quickly learned that the public road isn't a racetrack.
Ooh, it's not a racetrack. Tell your buddy to slow down on your Cardo Pack Talk Edge. Oh, we hit something. You see the hands fly out. This is why we wear gloves, because now he's not going to be able to utilize his hands very well for his job, which will make him have to take PTO if he has any. And boss isn't going to be very happy, and he could lose his job over here. So let's take a look. So we hit something. We hit a road surface hazard. I'm going to try not to pause a lot here, but... Oh, and the grip came off with him. Oh, geez. And there's the impact. All right, guys, let's go ahead and keep going. This is part 2 of Expensive Bikes Fall to Pieces by MotoStars. But yeah, link in the description for Easter weekend, 72-hour flash sale, 25% off. Ricardo. All right, so right here, we have good line of sight, but not a good space cushion when it comes to planning our ride. I'm trying not to pause it. We got some road surface right here. We're in the blind spot. And there's that open lane pattern. Apply the brakes, let them in. Very good. You can honk, but you notice how the honking didn't do anything? All right, we're moving on here. Ooh, a little bit wide. Look forward. We still got other vehicles. They could go wide too. But good job moving off to the right side. Okay. Apply the brakes, find the escape, apply the brakes, get behind. Good job. So if we were in a car, we would have had issues there. If we were, I'm not going to pause too much, but right here we have an open lane pattern. The vehicle is doing that. So orange stage, we got to do something though, right? We just perceived this threat. We're going to have to do something. So we're going to go into red stage and we're going to apply good progressive braking. So really good progressive braking, but we're not gonna be able to stop in time. Our total stopping distance isn't good enough, so we still have to find that escape path. Okay, we gotta get ourselves in that escape, but we gotta do a little bit of education here. Find that escape path. And so right here, it's like a lane filtering position. So we're doing a good job here. If we're in a car, we'd have had a head-on collision or hit the back of Schmitz. So that's not good. And get ourselves back here. Now at this point, go ahead and maintain this speed. The truck is going to increase and accelerate. That's going to increase your space cushion. And then once you have a good enough space cushion that you can see, then go ahead and get back up to speed. But you want to have a good space cushion because you're resetting for any possible new hazards. So we're coming up to here now. We have an open lane pattern. This person wants to switch over. Don't fight for the lane. Okay, you kind of put yourself there, but thankfully nothing happened. Side of the vehicle. Okay, good job with the braking. Watch out for this side of the vehicle. We kind of saw that, right? We saw the side of the vehicle here. Okay, if we see that, let's be prepared because they have a line of sight issue with us. We can see the back end of them. We have a line of sight issue with us. Justin's Motovlog for 21 months. Thank you for being a crew member for 21 months. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, whatever. Do your thing. Okay, we got another thing here. We got another side of the vehicle. Find an escape. Good job. So we just a quick position is the escape. You're gonna get merged into here. Brake, brake, brake. Thankfully they saw, but look at they wanted to switch over because the dum-dum in front of them were going a little too slow. But they didn't check. Maybe we're speed. I don't know. But we did good progressive braking. They saw it ahead of time. They got back in their lane, and now we're moving on. All right, here we go. Oh, this is gonna be fun. We're gonna hit like oh, there he is. It happens. That's the risk we take, but we're having a great time. Keep the eyes on the trails, not the scenery like me. Yeah, that's true. And crash bars, that's gonna help you out. That's gonna help you out. That looks like fun though, in the scenery. One sec, let's look at the scenery. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's keep going. I don't want to keep pausing. This is going to be a less pause video. You guys said you liked it.
Completely ignores riders, putting them
good space cushions, communicating with each other. Good position off to the side. I said I wasn't going to pause, but we're going to do it anyways. So we're getting up to here. We see headlights and a windshield in our lane. That's not good. We should be seeing the back window and tail lights or running lights in our lane. So as soon as we see that, we definitely have to go into orange stage. We're going to go ahead and get into that plan method here. Okay, remember, we're positioning for safety. We located this hazardous situation. We assess it is a relevant threat, and we're going to have to navigate this active one. And all we have to do is move over, and if we needed to, we can get onto the shoulder because we're on motorcycles, and we could totally do that. We'll just pretend we're a bicycle. But good job moving over, handled it. maybe talking to each other. So good job, Ivan and Vera. Vera. And then move on. Here we go. Open lane pattern right here. You're going to get merged into. You guys see that? When you guys are out driving or riding, do you guys see that nowadays? Are you noticing it? All right, Baja Gaming. We have a side of the pedestrian not paying attention, eating their Subway sandwich. Ah, it looks like a quesadilla, maybe. Ooh, that sounds good. All right, good job with the progressive braking. Handled it. So, okay, we transitioned. No, we transitioned to a terrible road, maybe a little bit wet. Now we're gonna have to do U-turns. Oh, do our U-turns a little bit better. Okay, link in the description to get yourself the drill booklet. Practice your U-turns. That's gonna be difficult to get the bike out. Thankfully, you have people that can help you. That's heavy. Thankfully, they're laughing about it.
You're okay.
Thankfully, they're laughing about it.
You're okay. Don't worry.
All right, remember, guys, we're raising money for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. Link in the description to donate.
You need some help.
Looks like they got it. Good job, though. Thanks for asking. You're gonna help them? Good.
I wasn't going that fast.
Good deal, man.
Oh, geez.
Looks like your bike fared out okay, too.
We have a new sponsor, by the way, on the channel. I'll take this as an opportunity. Flying Eyes Optics. These are their Ninox glasses. They sent these to me for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. Absolutely love these things.
Well, at least it was this one and not that one.
Great for in the helmet. All right, here we go. Oh, we have some uncommon things in a common situation. Good job with the escape with the SUV and for us. And he's wearing a Cardo. So the SUV had to do a red stage maneuver and escaped to the right. Very good. Found the escape. Now we have to do the same thing, right? So we didn't see that. We have a line of sight issue when it comes to that vehicle that stopped because the SUV is right there. So if all of a sudden you see an SUV swerve to the shoulder, we got to do something too. So they found an escape. Now we have to find an escape. And thankfully, we're really nimble on motorcycles and we take up such a small profile that we could do it. Now, why did that person stop? I don't know. But we did what we needed to do. All right, oh, this is going to be fun. Oh, Jesus. Do not stop on the other side of blind turn. Yeah, don't stop on the other side where you have a line of sight issue with this vertical. Oh, there.
You got two guys on side-by-sides up there, and they're parking in the worst possible place.
He's not going to do anything.
I don't know, but there's two side-by-sides.
He's just going to be like, all right, we'll take a look at it, and then he's just going to go off. Because he's like, I'm about to get off duty.
Think so.
That's probably
Okay.
Yeah,
He's like, we can't do anything about it.
Place they could ever stop and park.
What trail?
But if you feel the need to tell somebody, go ahead. Do your thing.
Lake Road, yeah.
Well, I appreciate you, MotoStars, for putting out this video. Once again, we're raising money for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. It's a massive charity. I've been doing it since 2014, and this is my 12th event. And I don't know if I can announce it yet, but I am an ambassador this year. So please donate. It's a great cause, but link will be in the description for that. With that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you on the next video.